Alright, a day in the life of a DPF guy. Here we are returning the DPF filters out of a Freightliner Cascadia with a Detroit engine. If you've got a Cascadia in a one box, don't give up if you're having trouble. Give us a call. 9 times out of 10 we can fix it. 1 time out of 10 we can't. We can give you some good direction. So here's my mobile bin of bungs, and here's why we're using it. This is C&M Truck Repair in Ellenwood, Georgia, and they called because they had replaced a DPF and a DOC on a truck that had been deleted, and this truck had been running really poorly, ECM issues, ACM issues, and the driver said, hey, or the owner said, let's get this thing back to right so that we can get a new ECM. And so what they did is that they undeleted the truck, which means new DOC, new DPF, and when they put the DOC in, which is the diesel oxidation catalyst, they noticed that the sensor bung in which one of the sensors would attach was actually the wrong size. The hole that the sensor probe went through was too small, and the actual size of the opening and the threads were wrong. So 2 things we had to do: zip over there, drill out the hole to allow the sensor probe to properly fit, and drill out the bung and tap it so that it fit the threads of the sensor. And that's exactly what we're doing here. We're drilling it out, and once everything's drilled out, we're going to tap it up, and let's see if everything fits. So if you wanted to get a hold of C&M for them to work on your truck, their number is 404-366-4666, 404-366-4666. They got a great big parking lot, easy in, easy out, centrally located. 2470 Forest Parkway, Ellenwood, Georgia. So there we go. Oh, we gotta drill it some more. Those titanium bits do a nice job. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough. Look at that, fits like a glove. Oh, I'm happy. And the truck is rolling. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And if you need help with your DPF system on any truck, any vehicle with a diesel engine, whether it be on-road or off-road, give us a call, 404-999-1361, DPF Guy.